Today, my friend and I went to see 棒球比赛 baseball game. It's the last baseball game of the year, the Taiwan series, which is the championship of Taiwan's professional baseball league. Today's game was between the CTBC brothers from Taichung and the Rakuten Monkeys from Taoyuan. This is 棒球场, the baseball stadium in Taichung, which is also 主场, the home field of the CTBC brothers. Their team color is 黄色, yellow. My friends and I support the Rakuten Monkeys, so we sat in 外野, the outfield area. If the Rakuten Monkeys win today, they'll become 冠军, champions of 2025. So there were so many 球迷 at the game today. The team color of the Rakuten Monkeys is 酒红色, dark red. But many fans think 黑色, black, brings good luck to the team. So today, a lot of people wore black clothes. It kept 下雨, raining today. But the fans still cheered for 球员, the players. In Taiwan, fans cheered by 跳舞, 唱歌, dancing and singing. This is the cheering sound from the brothers' fans in 内野, the infield. It was very loud. The Monkeys fans in the outer field were also very passionate. The game was really exciting. Both teams played very well. But in the end, the Monkeys won. In Taiwan, when a team wins a championship, fans 抛彩带, throw colorful ribbons in the team colors from the stands. It's something many fans look forward to. After the game, everyone celebrated with the players. Said hello to their favorite ones. It was such a happy and lucky day.
Self-learning made easy.